Hey guys, Noah here. This is a 52-inch Encon Casanova ceiling fan from 1996. It's actually a Casanova Deluxe. Um, these fans are childhood to me. My uncle had one in his rental house. It's a polished brass one, and also had cane blades just like this one. And it had a just a standard integrated fitter. Anyway, there's okay, off, here's low. I bought this fan off of Marketplace for $25. About $10 more than it's worth. Tried talking them down, but of course, just like most Marketplace sellers, they think they have fucking gold, and I basically caved because it was childhood. Whatever. Pretty average low speed. I'm sorry about all the mowing in the background. The neighborhood chose today to mow their yards. 90 degrees outside. If you ask me, it's a pretty awful day to mow your yards. Medium, not bad. Here's high. I'm experimenting with some new camera angles, mainly because there's crap in the way where I filmed that little fast film. Come on, I'll try it behind here. Not a bad fan at all. Pretty average for a 5-blade hugger. I noticed this one's one of the more proportionate ones. I've noticed that some of the later, I don't know if it's like late 90s or maybe early 90s ones, there was a different version and it was really kind of stupid looking. Frankly, I don't even remember which version my uncle had. I'm pretty sure it was this same one. Now we'll do solid state. This fan is extremely well balanced. Shockingly enough, because I'm pretty sure one of these blades is a little warped. Pretty sure it's that one. I don't know. Anyway, here's solid state, starting out on the lowest setting. It can't hear it because of the assholes mowing, but it was kind of stalled out there. About an 8 turn. Also, the people mowing are not assholes. I'm just being a dick. It's our 8 turn. Fans are ever loud on solid state. number 8. See, that's why I can't film from back here, is this window. I might just put something to cover it up. Turn. Our 8 was about high. Maybe just about a quarter, actually. Yeah, works pretty well for what it is. I do really like this fan, and I do think it was worth $25 because it is an immaculate shape for what it, I mean, granted it's not that old, but you know, finish is in great shape. Besides some, whatever the hell that is, rub it right off. And that one blade I just noticed was warped. I don't even think it's really that bad. I can't really find it. The one weird thing I did notice is, well, this fan came with this free arm. There's free turtle flare thingy-majig. And the globes are borderline black. I mean, they use LEDs. So I'm wondering if they use like 200-watt light bulbs in it for whatever reason. I don't know. I'd actually like to know. But, well, just for reference, those globes are supposed to look like these. So, yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.